Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Magic Fly. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to share with you Max Fashion sleepwear haul, in which I'm going to share with you variety of night suits I bought from Max Fashion. I hope you find this helpful, you like this video. Let's get started. So I will put the prices of all the pieces on the screen as I don't remember them. And the first piece which I have is a pajama set which I bought from Max Fashion. And this is how it looks like. This is a very cute panda print Max Fashion night suit, and I absolutely love this. It has a pocket over here, and this is in the size M, and the quality is amazing. I have washed it already and I have worn it also. It is very soft. The quality is amazing. Fabric is very soft. I would highly recommend. The panda print is so cute, as you can see, and it has got an elasticated waist in the bottom, as you can see. Also it came with an extra button in case your button falls out or something. So yeah, this is the first thing which I wanted to share, and I would highly recommend this pajama set. This is amazing. The quality is so good, absolutely worth every penny. So the second piece which I have is a sleepwear. This is how it looks like. Very vibrant and very nice. Polka dots is going on all over, and it says some more sleep. I will put the model picture if I can find on the screen, because the pieces go out of stock very soon on Max Fashion. I have noticed that. And this is how it looks like. Very comfortable and very nice. It has this detailing on the neck, as you can see. This is in the size M, and this is again a very beautiful piece. Absolutely love it. So now moving on to the last category of the nightwears which I have with me are the shorts. So I bought 5 shorts in total. One of the shorts I ordered in my previous order, but like it was for $3.99 one shorts. So I bought that, and after that I again ordered 4 shorts. I will tell you what the deal was. So the first short, that was for $3.99 I believe. I will mention the prices on the screen. I am quite sure that it was for $3.99. So this is how it looks like. As you can see, the color, the print, everything is exactly like it was in the picture. Absolutely love this. The fabric is so good, and the difference in this short and the shorts I'm going to show you is the waist. This has a very broad waist. If you like wearing these kind of shorts, this is amazing for you. The length is little short as per the other shorts, but the print, the fabric is fabulous. It has a back pocket also over here, and it looks exactly like the model was wearing in the picture. So it is exactly like it was shown. I'm very happy with this purchase. So the next 4 shorts was a deal. Like it was for $2.99 each piece, and if you buy 4 it was for 1,000. So I bought 4, and I'll show you how they look like now. So this is the first one which I got. Okay, so it has got pockets also. The stuff is nice. Like it is not that great as it was the lilac one, but this is like fine for regular wear at your home. So this has got like star prints, again a very nice piece. And then there is again a one which says cutie, and this is in the similar kind of a shade. You need to check your sizes when you're ordering shorts. There is a size chart, do check that. This is in the size S. So you please make sure that you order a right size, because otherwise you will have to get into the hassle of returning and exchange and all of that. So the next piece which I have is this one. It has goggles, sunglasses designed on it. Again a very cute one. It has pockets also. So these are good for your home wear, I feel. $250 is totally amazing for these shorts. So this is the one, and the last one is again a gray one. It has prints like guitar and then car, beach. It says road trip. So this was the last one which I got. So these were the 4 shorts I got in a deal of 1,000, and I am really happy with all the purchases from Max Fashion. I've already shared a haul before. If you want to check that out, I've already linked on the I button. The quality of the piece is amazing. It is worth every penny. I would highly recommend nightwears from Max Fashion if you're looking for. And the best part is they have almost all sizes, but the pieces go out of stock very soon. So I will try to put the links of all the night suits nightwears I have shared in this video if I find the links, and otherwise you can search them on their app also. So yes, this was all I wanted to share. I hope you find this helpful. Also, if you're watching me for the very first time, please do consider subscribing. Just click on the red subscribe button below and the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Stay happy, stay blessed. Bye bye.